Hey guys, it's Rob here. Today I'm going to show you a super fast and simple way to make a logo for free for your company or brand. So the website you want to go to is canva.com. Once you're on that website, and you can use my link in the description. To register, we're going to click create a design at the top right corner. Then we're going to click logo. If it's not here, just search in the box for logo. Now once we've done this, on the left it will say search logo templates. And now what you can do, for example, if we want a logo for our gardening company, we can search garden. And there's a ton of logos here you can choose from. A bunch of them are for free. I personally have the pro version because there's so many templates to use. It's extremely useful. In general, I use it all the time. So if you want, you can use the link in the description. It's my affiliate link and it will get you 30 days free of Canva Pro. You can cancel at any time and you're not charged for it. So I'd recommend that just to check it out. But for example, if we come down, we could choose one of these logos like garden home here. And then for example, you can just change the text to whatever you like. So we can put Rob's garden home, for example. We can delete that one there. And there you go. It's just a very simple example. But like I said, there's tons of these you can play around with. Like this, they all look very professional. And if you come up to the top left and you click file, you can then click download and then you can use it as you wish. So there you go guys, I hope this was helpful and I'll catch you again very soon.